Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, should I buy an annuity if I am divorced? I'm going to try to interpret this the best way I can. Folks typically buy an annuity for the guaranteed income that they're going to get for the rest of their life, okay? The way I'm interpreting this question is, hey, I got divorced, and maybe I'm a stay-at-home dad or a stay-at-home mom, and I haven't had a job, and I currently don't have a job, and we've split up our assets, and I want to use my assets to support my way of life because, well, frankly, I haven't had a job. And so will an annuity be a good fit? The answer is, yeah, it would be a good fit. Because this way you can take the temptation of blowing all that money on stupid crap and laying down a contractually guaranteed income for the rest of your life. And we just so happens we're in the highest payout time since the 90s. So in 25 plus years, the annuities haven't paid this high. Okay. So yeah, I think that's a good idea. If I'm looking at buying an annuity to protect my assets after a divorce, I mean, you're already divorced. Would you need to protect your assets? It's kind of already been split up. You know, I'm guessing that that's not what you're asking. You know, if you were looking for a fixed interest rate, okay, but what does that have to do with being, anyway, I'm going to assume based off this question that it's like, hey, my husband was the sole breadwinner. I was a homemaker. We got divorced and I needed income to support my lifestyle now being newly single. And I don't have any sort of job or any career history. Should I use an annuity? The answer is yes, do it. If you need a quote, you can come to our website, the Annuity Expert Income Annuity Calculator page. You can enter in your information. You can do it anonymously here. Give you real-time payouts from about 25, 30 companies. You can request a comparison from us, and we'll give that to you at no cost, no obligation. So you can see all the different insurance companies and what their payouts are. And then if you think an annuity is going to be a good fit to support your lifestyle, great. If not, no worries. At least you got some information out of it. And yeah, leave a comment below if you got a question. And if I interpreted this question wrong, let me know why and how I should have interpreted the question. And I'll respond with an answer in the comments. Like, subscribe, catch you on the next video. See ya.